Hello friends, in Maths chapter 4 determinant exercise 4.2 we will study the solution of question 6 to 10. So question 6 we have that show that 0a minus b minus a0 minus c and bc 0. So we directly expand is equals to 0 we want to show. So directly a 3 diagonal entries are 0. So directly we expand then 0 into 0 minus c, c 0 minus a into minus a minus c b 0 and plus minus b into minus a 0 b c. So 0 into anything 0 minus a into 0 0 minus minus plus bc and plus minus b into minus ac minus 0. So this is minus abc and this is minus minus plus abc is equals to 0. Now seventh question is given minus a square abc ba minus b square bc ca cb minus c square. Left hand side is given minus a square ab ac ba minus b square bc ca cb minus c square. So here we from the first row we take out a common, from the second row b common and from the third row c common. And it will be a b c minus a b c b common, so a minus b and here c, here again c common, so a b minus c. Here we have to write r1 multiplied by 1 by a r1, r2 1 by b r2 and r3 1 by 3 c r3. Again now column we multiply by 1 by a, 1 by b and 1 by c. So a square b square c square. We have minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1. Now we have column, so c1 divided by 1 by ac1, c2 divided by 1 by bc2 and c3 implies 1 by c3. Now this minus 1 we add in these two, then it will become 0. So we take here minus 1 1 1 and it is minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 plus 1 0 and 1 plus 1 2. Here minus 1 plus 1 0 1 plus 1 2 and 1 minus 1 0. So here we have applied R2 transform into R1 plus R2 and R3 transform into R1 plus R3. So we can see here now minus 2 with this column we expand and minus 1 into it is 0 2 2 0. So its answer will be minus 1 into minus 4 and so it is 4. Now 8th question we have 1 1 1 abc a square b square c square. Then prove that a minus b minus c c minus a. So we know that to expand easily to we can make it 2 entries 0. Then easily we can do the sum. So these two entry 1 and 1 will subtract it from this one, then it will become 0. So we apply R2 transform into R2 minus R1 and R3 transform into R3 minus R1. And we write here 1 a is square as it is 0 b minus a b square minus a square 0 c minus a c square minus a square. So here b square minus a square factors we can write b minus a b plus a, c square minus a square factor we can write c minus a c plus a. So second row contains b minus a common, third row contains c minus a common. So from second row b minus a common, third row c minus a common. Then we have matrix, determinant 1 a square 0 1 b plus a and 0 1 c plus a. Here we have applied R2 transform into 1 by b minus a and R2 R3 transform into 1 minus c minus a R3. Now we expand it, then b minus a c minus a 1 into 1 b plus a 1 c plus a. So it is b minus a c minus a c plus a minus b minus a. So a cancel. So it is b minus a c minus a and c minus b. So here from this bracket we take out minus 1 common, so minus 1 square a minus b c minus a b minus c, and so it is a minus b b minus c c minus a. We have the second question. 1 1 1 a b c a cube b cube c cube equals to a minus b b minus c c minus a plus b plus c. So we want a minus b b minus c. So second column we minus from the first column and third column we minus from the second column. So left hand side we have given 1 1 1 a b c a cube minus b cube c cube. So we apply c1 transform into c1 minus c2 and c2 transform into c2 minus c2. So we have 0 a minus b a cube minus b cube 0 b minus c b cube minus c cube 1 c c cube. So a cube minus b cube formula we have a minus b whole cube plus 3ab a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So from this column a minus b common, from this column b minus c common. So a minus b b minus c common and 0 1 a square plus ab plus b square 0 1 b square plus bc plus c square 1 c c cube. And here we will write c1 transform into 1 by a minus b c1 c2 transform into 1 by b minus c c2. Now we expand with this one, then third column, then a minus b b minus c and 1 into 1 a square a plus ab plus b square 1 b square plus bc plus c square. So we take the cross multiply, then b square plus bc plus c square minus a square minus ab minus b square. So plus b square minus b square cancels. So here a minus b b minus c c square minus a square minus ab plus bc. So these two brackets and these two. So c square minus a square factors will be a minus b b minus c as it is, and c square minus a square factor will be c minus a c plus a. And from here minus b is common. Sorry, plus b is common, then c minus a. And so c minus a common, then a minus b, b minus c. From these two terms, c minus a common, then from here a plus c and here b. So a plus b plus c. Ninth question, we are given x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, y, z, x, z, x, y. Then prove that x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, x, y plus y, z plus z x. So here x minus y we want, so second row we subtract from the first row, and third row we subtract from the second row. Then x minus y, y minus z we will get. So we apply here R1 transform into R1 minus R2 and R2 transform into R2 minus R3. Then we will get here x minus y, x square minus y square, yz minus xz. Here y minus z, y square minus z square, xz minus xy, and z square xy. So now here x minus y, x square minus y square. These two factors are x minus y, x plus y. And from here z we take out from minus z we take out from, and then it is x minus y. And so x from the first row x minus y common, second row y minus z common. We get 1. Here x minus y common, so x plus y. Here x minus y common, so we get only minus z. Same here 1, y minus z common, so y plus z. And here minus x, and here z, z square, xy. And so here we will write R1 implies 1 by x minus y R1, R2 implies 1 by x minus, sorry, y minus z R2. Now again this row we subtract from this row, then we get z, y cancel, x minus z. Or this first row we subtract from the second row, then we get z minus x. And so here we apply R2 transform into R2 minus R1, then it will be x minus y, y minus z, and here 1 x plus y minus z as it is. Here 0 y plus z minus x minus y, so it is y minus z minus x minus minus, so it is z minus x, z square xy. And so from the second row we take out z minus x common, then x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, 1 0 z, x plus y, 1 z square minus z 1 xy. And so now here we subtract this one from this one, then we get 0. So here we want to minus it, so we apply C2 transform into C2 minus C3, then it will be x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, and determinant will be 1 x plus y plus z, because minus minus z will be plus z, and so x plus y plus z, 1 minus, and here minus z, then it will be 0 and z as it is. Now we have 1 minus 1 0 and z square minus xy. And here 1 xy as it is. Now with the second row we expand. So minus plus minus. So it is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, and minus 1 into z 1 x plus y plus z, z square minus xy. So we take the cross multiply here. Then x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, then it will be z square minus xy minus zx minus yz minus z square into minus 1. So z square x away minus 1 inside multiply. Then x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, xy plus yz plus zx. Next we have 10 equation x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4. We have to prove that 5x plus 4 5 minus x square. So we can see 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5x means all the three columns we add we get 5x plus 4 5x plus 4 5x plus 4. So we apply C1 transform into C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then first column we have 5x plus 4 5x plus 4 5x plus 4. Another two column 2x x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4. So now from the first column 5x plus 4 we take out common, and it is 1 1 1 2x x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4. Here we have applied C1 transform into 1 by 5x plus 4 C2 for C1. So now here these two row element we want to make 0. So R2 transform into R2 minus R1 and R3 transform into R3 minus R1. Then we will get 1 2x 2x 1 minus 1 0 x plus 4 minus 2x that is 4 minus x 2x minus 2x 0 1 minus 1 0 2x minus 2x 0 and x plus 4 that is 4 minus x. So we expand with this and here 5x plus 4 as it is. So we expand with this one and we get it 5x plus 4 into 1 into 4 minus x 0 0 4 minus x other elements are 0, so it is 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. Now 10th second question we have that y plus k y plus k y plus k equals to k square 3y plus k. So again these three column addition we can see it is 3y plus k. So we take C1 transform into C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then we have this 3y plus k y 3y plus k y plus k y 3y plus k y and y plus k. Now 3y plus k we take out common, that is means 1 1 1 y plus k y plus k. So we will write here C1 transform into 1 by 3y plus k C1. So now these two elements we want to make 0 and R2 transform into R2 minus R1, R3 transform into R3 minus R1. Then we will get 3y plus k 1 by y 0 k 0 0 0 k, and so we expand with 1 and it is 3y plus k into 1 into k square, so it is k square 3y plus k.